Let's sit down, please. Make sure you sit down. Nope, sit down. Sit down. Oh. You're gonna hurt yourself.
Can you walk up the stairs?
Walk up the stairs like a big boy. Sit down and go down the slide. Michael, sit down. Thank you. No, sit down. Sit down. There you go. Can you walk up the stairs like a big boy? Come here, bud. Come here. That'll help you. Come here.
Come back.
Over here. You ain't gonna get up that way. You're gonna fall right down. This way. Go up like a big boy. You can do it. Very good. And you counted when you went up the stairs. 3 steps. Yay! Sit down. Whee! Where's the truck? You want to put the truck down that slide? Here, it's over here. You count. 1, 2, 3.
Whee!